Greetings and welcome to the Introduction to Astronomy. In this episode of Multicultural Astronomy, we will explore the contributions of Narayana Pandita and how increasingly sophisticated mathematics supported the development of astronomy. So let's get started. By the 14th century, astronomy in India relied heavily on advanced mathematical methods. Calculating planetary motion and predicting celestial events required increasingly systematic forms of computation. One scholar who contributed to this growing mathematical tradition was Narayana Pandita. Although best known as a mathematician, his work helped strengthen the mathematical foundation needed for increasingly advanced astronomy. His contributions reflect a stage where mathematics itself became more structured, organized, and essential to astronomical science. Narayana Pandita worked extensively with numerical methods, sequences, combinations, and computational techniques. These forms of mathematical reasoning helped astronomers organize and process increasingly complex calculations. Astronomy depended on reliable numerical methods. Without systematic computation, predicting celestial motion with precision would have been extremely difficult. Although Narayana Pandita focused primarily on mathematics, his work contributed directly to the development of astronomy. Astronomers relied on mathematical structures to calculate planetary positions, model repeating cycles, and predict eclipses. As astronomical calculations became more sophisticated, mathematics itself had to become more organized and efficient. One of the important features of Narayana Pandita's work was the study of mathematical patterns and systematic procedures. These methods helped transform astronomy into a discipline that relied carefully on structured computation. This reflects an important development in scientific history. Mathematics was no longer only a tool for astronomy. It was becoming an increasingly sophisticated field of study in its own right, closely connected to understanding the cosmos. The mathematical tradition strengthened by scholars like Narayana Pandita supported later developments in astronomy, including increasingly precise calculations and observational refinement. His work demonstrates how advanced mathematics can expand humanity's ability to describe celestial motion with greater accuracy. So that concludes our discussion on Narayana Pandita and the mathematics of astronomical computation. We'll be back again next time for another episode of Multicultural Astronomy. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.